Hey, good morning. This is Bob from Trade Genius. I want to point out another nice intraday chart, another biotech stock, IMMU. I'm already long it, but it's doing a nice setup here, and watching to see with the intensity staying strong, momentum recharging, and waiting to see if this thing pulls through. And if it does and it clears 376, I think it's ready to take another move higher. So don't jump the gun on it. Let it play itself out. But if it does, I think we're going to be pushing up here over $4 on this stock. It just has really high short interest on it, so it's a great short squeeze, and that's my play with it. So anyway, enjoy it, and I'll be back a little bit later with some more ideas. Have a great day. Bye bye.